Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make farmer drawing step by step. Start with a light oval for the head, add a wide hat, sketch a rounded torso and stick limbs, and mark facial guidelines. Use simple shapes for overalls and boots, add a pitchfork prop, refine lines, erase guides, and apply shading or flat color. Keep proportions friendly and practice variations to develop your own farmer character style. Begin by blocking the head, torso, and limbs with simple shapes, keeping spacing relaxed. Refine proportions by shortening or lengthening limbs and adjusting torso width. Add clothing outlines like overalls and a hat, then place facial features for expression. Work in light strokes and use an eraser to clean construction lines before inking. Practice several quick sketches to explore poses and gestures until the farmer feels alive and balanced today. Quick recommendation: if you enjoy this process, please subscribe and like the video to support the channel. On another note, I love this book, Dollar Banknote, a book that can truly change how you think about money, The Simple Path to Wealth. It's a fun mental shift that pairs well with creative practice. Check the description for the link and other deals, and consider picking it up for relaxed reading. Now let's get back to the video. Now focus on details like beard texture, straw hat weave, and pocket seams to build character. Use varied line weight and directional strokes to suggest fabric folds and dirt smudges. Choose a simple limited palette and apply flat color first, then add shadows and highlights for depth. Experiment with warm earthy tones and contrast on the face to guide attention. Finish with small highlights on eyes and metal tools to bring the drawing to life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.